Hello and welcome back. Today again another 6S edge and this say no power. So let's check to see what the problem is here. So it's no power. I don't know why it's no power, but we'll see now. Okay, so like how you can see on the corner, it's no amps. No amps reading, nothing. No, nothing. No amps. Not even 1 milliamp. This looks like a charging port issue. So let's check quickly the charging port. See if something wrong here. Mm, Okay, let's start the microscope. Okay. Okay, that's the charging port. So we can't see nothing. Can't see nothing anyway. Let's see the pins. That's it's all about the pins. I can't see nothing. Okay. Let's check from this side. Okay, let's try different. I don't know, the pin looks fine to me. But we'll see. So let's stick the phone on the front of the heater. So let's stick the phone on the front of the heater. Take out the back cover, open the phone. Let's check. Yeah. See you in 10 minutes. Yeah. Okay, so we are back. Let's take our phone, which is probably around 60, 70 degrees. Wow, proper hot. Proper hot. Okay. Let's try to open without cracking the back cover. No, not this time. Not this time. What's wrong with my suction cup? Okay, we're in. We are in. We are in. Okay, let's try to open without cracking nothing. Morning, yeah. Uh, why? Why this happened? Okay, again. That's long. Oh, that's long. That's proper long. Should be out by now. Okay. Yes. Uh, not yet. Not yet. Now? No. Yes. So the back cover is out. Let's open the phone. Let's open the phone. Check to see what's wrong with the charging port, because I'm sure it's a charging port problem. It's no amperage reading on the meter, so that means no power going inside. Or, yeah, obviously can be like a water damage, but the customer hasn't said nothing about the water damage. So probably it's only a charging port problem. But we'll see in 1 second. If it's a charging port job, it will be an easy job. Okay, that's the phone. So let's check the charging port, yeah? Let's check under the microscope. I think it's better under the microscope. Yeah? Yeah, yeah, it's there. So here I have a Samsung 6 S6 Edge dead. So if I plug the charger, you can see on the corner no amps. So no amps. Okay, the first we'll check will be the battery. See the battery voltage to put some power on the battery. So let's put some power. Minus, plus. So the battery is taking power. We have 2.4 amps. So it's taking 2.4 amps. So let's charge a little bit of battery and check the phone. It's no point fixing the charging port if the phone is dead. So it's 2.4 amps. Okay. Let's try. See if it's charging again. Okay, so it's no amps on the meter. Okay, let's power up the phone because we charged the battery already. We put some power there. Yeah, so the phone is coming on. I suppose it's the charging port, but let's check to be sure. Meter. 0.03. Okay, there it's a little bit of glue over the pins, so we have to take that glue out. Low temperature. Be careful because on the other side you have the home button, so you have to use low temperature. Okay, so now we can check. So we have no voltage, nothing. Okay, that is a charging port issue. So let's replace the charging port. You can replace on the 6 edge, I think you can replace all this bit with the ribbon cable together. But anyway, I don't have that time and I don't have the part. So let's replace only the charging port. And also this is the way how to replace how you must replace the charging port on iPhone on Samsung S6. On S6 you have the ribbon cables to the sensors. So no, you can't leave the screen to take the sensor out. So the only way is to replace the is to replace the charging port itself, not the ribbon cable. So let's take out the charging port. Okay, the charging port is out. The home button, like how I was saying, it's on the other side. Okay, let's take another charging port. You can see on the other port, on the other side, you have the home button. So let's take this charging port down. Obviously we don't need this ribbon cable, so I don't care about the home button. I need only the charging port. The charging port is out. Okay, let's go under the microscope. Maybe we can see better. Okay, so that's the charging port area. Here we have some water damage, but it's not an important thing. We'll clean this after. Okay, everything is fine here. Let's clean. Let's find. Let's clean the pads. Okay, so the pads are clean. Let's clean the other area with the liquid damage. Everything looks cool. Okay, let's clean this. Okay, we're spending too much time with this. So let's feed the charging port. So you have the charging port there. So the idea is on this way, yeah? The charging port cannot move because of this, yeah? And will be like a sandwich between the screen and the case, yeah? So this will not go move from here. So I'll solder only these pins and the back bits, yeah, but not on the middle here. So not here. I'm sure it'll be fine. That's the only way. Samsung S6, that's the only way, because otherwise you have to leave the screen, which is scary. Even for me, it's scary. Lifting the screen, that's crazy. I've done a lot of this way and no one come back. And also this is an easy job. This is an easy job. Just want to be sure my pins are soldered in place. We give 6 months warranty on this job, so I'm sure we'll be fine. Yeah, it is done. Here is done also. So let's check if it's charging. Okay. Let's check if it's charging. So, okay. Okay, the battery is not plugged. Let's plug the battery. Let's check again. So check there, yeah? 1.4 amps. 1.4 amps. That's mean a very good charging port. And it's charging 5%. That's a well done job. So now we'll put this all back together in a specific way. So we have the back cover. The way I will put it back all together will be with a little bit of hot glue. Not too much, a little bit on the charging port place. And on this way, I'll be sure my charging port is in place. Now we can put all back together. Okay. We'll put first this screw from the bottom. Okay, the screw is here. Look on the glue, it's popping out through the charging port. That means my charging port will be in place. And it's nothing to worry about. And this is what I called a proper job. If you think this is not a proper job, what can I say? Just good luck lifting the screen. Yesterday I have a customer here. He comes here with a iPhone 6 with a Samsung S6 black screen, and he said he tried to fix his charging port and take out the sensor by lifting the screen. I say, you're crazy, you know. Nah, no way. Just replace the charging port. Quick job, 5-10 minute job. If it's cheap, the customer is happy. You are happy because you didn't spend too much time. And yeah. Okay, I need one more screw. One more little screw. That's my screw. All back together. Let's check again. 1.4 amps. So you can move it, nothing will happen. You can see it's a proper jump. 1.6 amp. That's even better. Let's power up the phone. But again, when you are doing this, yeah, just check again on the other side. You have the home button. If you use a lot of heat, you'll melt the home button. If you melt the home button, I don't know, you can replace it, but the job will be more hard. Yeah. Let's check the home button. Yeah, the home button is working fine. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment. Okay? Bye.